Hey everybody, this is your buddy pal London Hawthorne, and I am here with another unboxing. This shipped from, I think, Cleveland, Ohio. It says CV on it. I'm assuming Cleveland, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other thousands and thousands of unboxings. So I do the subscribe and save on Amazon. You usually save on Amazon in general, but you can really save with their subscribe and save. So things I like supplements. This is mega size BCAA amino acids, 1,000 caps from Optimum Nutrition. I want to say I'm not sponsored by Amazon or any of the products here, but I would love to be. And then we've got this Dole tropical fruit and 100% fruit juice. I love this. This is, I used to eat canned fruit as a kid, and I tried this stuff, and this just blows it out of the water. But I got a whole case of this. Expires next year. It's so good. It's better than ice cream. I mean, I love it. So this has pineapple, white grape juice from concentrate, papaya, pineapple, lemon juice. But it's got mango, papaya, and pineapple. It's delicious. I love it. I can't say enough, but it's a simple unboxing today. Just a case of those. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can go to rippedapparel.com or onceuponat.net. This shirt was off of Ripped Apparel. That's RIPT apparel.com. Find your shirt of choice. Use my username as your coupon code. That's London Hawthorne, and you'll save a couple bucks off your shirt. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I wish you the best. Have a great one.